Hello and welcome to Damien Photoshop. Let's go ahead and go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter, or Shift plus Control plus A is the shortcut key. And when it loads, let's go and from the Edit, in the Edit section, let's click on B&W. Change the photo to black and white. Let's go to here where it says clarity, and let's drag the slider like this. I think at 100 looks great for this photo. And let's go to contrast and increase the contrast again to 100. And let's go to the blacks, and let's also increase the blacks. So something like minus 30, minus 36. Let's increase also the shadows. So something like minus 55. And the highlights are maybe a bit too much, so let's also decrease the highlights a little bit to minus 45. And just click OK. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, and see you in the next tutorial.